Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today in this English grammar lesson, in chapter 37, we are going to learn first conditional, real possibility in the future. What is the first conditional? The first conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations in the future. It expresses a condition that is likely to happen and its probable result. If clause, condition, main clause, result. If plus present simple tense, will plus base form of verb. Examples: if it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If she calls me, I will answer the phone. If they arrive early, we will start the meeting. Breakdown: if clause, condition that must happen using present simple, main clause, result or consequence using will plus base verb. When to use the first conditional? To talk about possible future events and their consequences when there is a real chance the condition can be fulfilled. Important notes: the if clause can be placed at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Examples: if you work hard, you will succeed. You will succeed if you work hard. Now in the next sentence there is no comma, but in the first, when you start with if, so you have to put here comma. The comma is used when the if clause comes first, but not when it comes last. Variations with modals in result clause. Instead of will, you can use other modal verbs like can, may or might to express possibility, permission or ability. Examples: if you ask politely, she might help you. If it snows, we can go skiing. If he finishes early, he may call you. Common words with first conditional. If, the most common word to introduce the condition. Unless means if not and can replace if not. Examples: I won't go unless you come with me. If you don't come with me, I won't go. Here we have exercise for first conditional using if. Practice: complete the sentences, fill in the blanks using the first conditional. These are the verbs in brackets. You have got answer key for that exercise. Here we come with real life conversation examples. What will you do if it rains tomorrow? If it rains, I will stay at home and read a book. Example 2: will you come to the party if they invite you? Yes, if they invite me, I will definitely go. Example 3: what happens if you don't finish your homework? If I don't finish it, I will have to stay after school. We have summary. The first conditional talks about real possible future events. Use if plus present simple, then will plus base verb in the result clause. It expresses cause and effect in the future. The condition is likely or possible to happen. You can use modal verbs like can, may, might instead of will to express possibility or permission. See you in the next chapter.